Do you have anything? I'm done. I'm scared. Lay on your stomach.
Get on your fucking
stomach. Get on your stomach now.
Date the 8th of November 2025. Location police station parking lot. Incident aggravated assault investigation. Focus constitutional law statutory elements and evidentiary procedure.
With our toddler and car.
Okay.
It's started right now.
So she's still in the car right now?
Yes.
16, can you come out here?
She missed her on the tip of the knife. So.
Okay.
What's on first?
So suspect still might be in the vehicle. I'm just gonna make sure she doesn't. Yeah, I'm just making sure she's not free to fucking go, so I can go talk to him. Which car is it? This one? Yeah. Broke the windshield while they were driving. That's why he's still in the car. If you want to go see.
Our baby's in the back seat.
Okay, just to make sure, because I guess last time he said that she dipped out before things got settled. So I just want to make sure someone's with her so she doesn't fucking leave if she's the suspect in this.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
fine.
cool. All right.
Do you have the keys to the car with you, or does she have them?
My mom just left with them.
So the car that's on right now,
Yeah,
she has the keys to those.
Yeah, and she's out of town.
Oh.
So
Okay, I'm so confused. So
the car will run until it shuts off, and then it's be there till 3 o'clock. When she leave back, 3 to 6 o'clock.
Okay.
okay, I'm not quite understanding. So the keys right now that belong to this vehicle, do you have them on you right now?
No.
Your mom has the car keys, is what you're saying.
Yes.
So how is the car operating without the key?
A fob.
So where is
It's a hybrid. I don't know.
Where's the fob?
It's Butler. Oh no.
So if you shut that car off, it won't turn
won't
back
move.
on.
It won't
Okay,
move.
so your mom turned
Okay.
the car on, took the key with her, and the car's been on ever since.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, I was just curious because I didn't know if she was able to take off because normally
Yeah, she
you
can.
have to have the key in there for it to operate.
She can take off if she wants to.
Oh.
It's a hybrid, so
Oh,
it's on
okay.
and off.
Okay.
Yeah,
So are you?
The incident started. We were driving down Town Creek. We're approximately 3 miles from Duck Inn,
Okay.
and she pulled a knife out and said she was going to kill me.
Okay. How'd the windshield get broken?
We were driving later. I took her word that she wasn't going to stab me.
Mm-hmm.
She started kicking out the window after we got out of Pine Hills.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess the mirror busted it, you know. She
Okay.
knocked the mirror off, and that's where it's mostly shattered.
Okay.
Other than that, you know, the bumpers and the
Are you getting the 28? Cool.
The handle of the knife's in my left hand, on my left hand right now.
Okay. And where's the blade at?
I don't know. I was looking for it. She never recovered.
Okay. So who owns that vehicle?
It's my mother's.
Your mother's? Okay.
Basically, what I just need a report so I get property fixed.
So your mom would have to call up here since it's her property. Considering this all happened, she's the victim in this, not necessarily you. However, you are a victim of assault, and it'd be aggravated assault, considering it was with a knife. So do you want to do anything about that?
I can always do what she does, press charges, and then not show up to court.
Okay. Where'd she put the knife up to you at?
She held it up in her right hand.
So she just held it?
Yeah, and
Okay.
looked at me while I was driving 60 miles an hour with our child in the back seat.
Where's the blade?
I don't know.
You don't know where the blade is, but it's possibly in this car.
Possibly. I've asked her to give it to me. She said she threw it out with the handle. Where she threw it out, there's no reason why it should have been broke.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me talk to her. You guys can go back inside. I'll talk to her real fast. I won't make you get out if that window rolls down. Does the window roll down at all? Do what? No? Okay. What happened tonight?
Nothing. I went with my dad in the car. I knocked it.
Okay, and it broke the windshield. Okay, what's he saying about a knife?
Oh, well, I was scared to get in the car with him, honestly, so I had my grandma said here, and I had my little pocket knife with me. I figured out the door. And he's like, why'd you have a pocket knife on you? And then I had to explain to him. And we was out there for like 30 minutes.
Okay.
For the pocket knife.
Okay, so what does he have in his pocket? He's got a handle of... Huh?
I don't know. I have no clue.
Okay.
Oh, that's probably from this. Yeah, that's from this.
Well, no. So it's a handle to some. It's like a metal, like chrome-ish, not chrome, but like a silverish handle to something, and it looked like it could be a kitchen knife.
Oh, no clue.
Okay. So he was saying that you were driving down the highway and you raised it up at him.
No, I wasn't. Well, I wasn't driving, so I don't know this.
No, I'm talking about when he was driving.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, yeah.
Okay. So he said that you rose it up at him and stuff?
Yeah.
Huh?
No, I didn't raise it up. No, I threw it out the window. And I was like, well, look what I got. And he's like, oh. And I was like, then I threw it out real quick. He's like, what the fuck? And I was like, well, I wasn't gonna. He's like, yeah. He's like, why the fuck did you have that? And then we went on for like 30 minutes of why. So, I don't know.
Okay. So why were you scared to get in a vehicle with him?
Well, I wasn't really scared to get in the vehicle with him, but he came to my house like unexpectedly, kind of. Not really like unexpectedly again, but we had to get together, so.
Right.
I don't know. I think this one's gonna like not fall on again. I
Oh.
don't know.
Okay.
But he's done this before. He's like literally like he threw me up against a tree. He literally almost me one time. I was with this before them. He like choked me, but not like that. I mean, I choked myself. He didn't choke me. I don't remember. I think I was drunk.
Okay. When you guys were driving down the road, you just randomly pulled out a knife and was just like, look what I have, and he was like, what the fuck, and then he threw it out the window. Why'd you bring out a pocket knife? Huh?
I brought that because my grandma said to bring it to because she knows how he is with me. And she didn't know if he was gonna, because he came in and he was like, hey, you know, and she's just like, hello, like, we've been through this again. And he's like, well, what's up? And I'm like, hey, what's up?
Huh?
He has knives in here.
Okay.
I just brought me a little one.
Let me grab that real fast.
Here, this is his.
Okay.
And then there's, and I don't know why, there's all kinds of stuff in here.
Okay.
And I didn't stab him.
I
mean, I would
clearly,
never
because he's not
do
bleeding
that,
or anything.
so. Here, I'm gonna call my grandma and I'm gonna have her come get me.
Well, no, hold off on that.
My mom's already down the road. She knew where we were, so.
Okay, yeah, hold off on that. So, she admitted to pulling the knife out. However, I don't think that's a handle to a knife. She's saying that it was a pocket knife, and then as she pulled it out, she threw it out the window.
Yes.
I don't know what he's got in his pocket. I don't know if that's a handle to a knife or not.
It doesn't.
But that is. And
Where's
so,
that
right there. I'm going to take that into him and see if that was what apparently she used or something.
I didn't touch
So,
her.
yeah, you don't have to for that. So this was in the vehicle.
That's the one. That's okay.
So this isn't the one that she...
No, it's definitely this one.
Can I see that real fast? So this isn't one of the like barbecue forks? This was a knife because I don't see an edge on it at all on either side. Both sides are flat.
It had a point on it. I know it.
It had a point?
Yes.
Okay. This is what he had. This was the handle. What is this?
That's the one that I had.
That's the one that you had?
Yeah, it's the one I took out from my grandma's.
Got you. Where's the blade at?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I have no clue.
Okay. But this is the one that you picked up and was just like, look what I've got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was anything attached to that?
No. Well, yeah, a blade was.
A blade was attached to that.
Okay.
That's not even.
Okay.
Why was that in your pocket?
Oh, this had this?
Yeah.
Because I took it because I just in case something happened and I didn't have a way to get out of the situation I was in.
So you took it with you as a weapon?
No, not as a weapon, sir. I took it with me so if something did happen to me, I could, get out of the situation. Like if I got
To defend yourself with
on the
a weapon?
on the side of the road, or
But it would be
whatever.
used as a weapon to
defend yourself,
right?
correct.
yes,
Okay.
not
So
a weapon, but
Well,
yes.
what else would you use it as to get out of a situation?
I mean, it had a blade.
Okay, so why would you take it with you if it's not good as a weapon to
I
get
don't
yourself
know,
out of a
because
situation? I don't know why you would have taken it if it wasn't going to be a weapon to get out of a situation.
But we came straight here. We was just arguing. I never used it against him. Like, I mean, I never, really, harmed him or anything.
So when you held it, did you threaten him?
No.
Okay.
How'd you hold it? Can you show us?
No, I didn't threaten him or anything. I was like, look what I got. And I was like, and then he was like, and I was like, and I threw it out the window. And he was like, what the fuck? He was like, look, you really gonna? I was like, Dad would never do that. He was like, and I got out and I helped him find the logic and all that. And we went
Where
on.
did that occur at?
That was, because we was arguing before that. But we weren't arguing. We were just like, I was in an argument, basically, trying to get through something. So, yeah. But other than that, that's all.
Cool. All right, go ahead and step out for me.
Okay. Am I getting arrested?
100%. Huh?
Am I getting arrested?
Yes, you are under arrest for aggravated assault. Go ahead and step out.
Assault?
Yep, go ahead and step out.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead and step out.
I didn't touch him with that.
You don't have to for aggravated assault. Go ahead and step out.
Please.
No, Chelsea, go ahead and step out. Chelsea, don't
We're
make.
not going to give you any more options.
I didn't
go
even
ahead and
touch
step on
him
out,
with
please.
that.
Okay.
Chelsea, go ahead and unbutton the seatbelt for me.
I didn't even touch him with that. Are you serious? This is way more than I can afford.
Go ahead and unbuckle yourself. Chelsea, go ahead and do it, okay?
Fucking serious?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
No. We're gonna go ahead and do this, okay? Come on, do it.
I didn't even have a blade.
Last chance.
Unbuckle the seatbelt, please.
Please.
That's it.
Come on. Go and place your hands behind your back, okay?
Do you have anything?
I'm done. I'm scared.
Lay on your stomach.
Get on your
Get
fucking stomach.
Get on your stomach now.
Put your arm back.
That was fucking stupid.
I'm so scared.
Go ahead.
I'm scared.
Yep. Not mine or... I always hate when I lose my fucking hat. Yeah, I bet that hurt. Alright, stand up.
Thanks.
Oh, wow.
Alright,
I'm hungry. Literally.
alright.
Did you
I'm
have
so
any shoes
hungry. Yeah, girl, I did.
County 29, log 195. Let the jail know we're coming straight in. This just happened in the parking lot. Sorry for the no heads up.
I don't want to go in here. I really don't.
Well, you're definitely going now.
Oh, shut up.
Hayes is
I
here.
don't know what to do about it.
I say, if you want to come in, you
I'm
can. But
fucking hurting.
they're coming.
We just wait.
Yeah, so. I know, just 1 second.
Legal Principle Terry v. Ohio 1968. Temporary investigatory detentions require reasonable articulable suspicion, not probable cause. Because this phase is non-custodial, Fifth Amendment Miranda warnings are not required, rendering spontaneous admissions fully admissible in court. Legal Principle Statutory Aggravated Assault versus Affirmative Defense. Exhibiting a deadly weapon to threaten imminent injury fulfills the felony statute. Actual physical contact is legally irrelevant. Self-defense requires an immediate, unlawful physical threat. Preemptively brandishing a weapon fundamentally invalidates the strict imminence requirement. Legal Principle Pennsylvania v. Mimms 1977 and Graham v. Connor 1989. The Fourth Amendment grants officers absolute authority to order occupants from a vehicle during a lawful detention. Refusal authorizes the use of soft, empty hand control, which is legally proportional to overcome static resistance during a custodial arrest. Legal lesson chain of custody and evidentiary integrity. Transporting alleged weapons from the primary incident scene compromises the chain of custody and introduces legal, reasonable doubt. Strict preservation of physical evidence in its original location is legally imperative to establish undeniable probable cause.